Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Thinkorswim charts for swing trading, detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up Thinkorswim charts for swing trading, start by opening the Thinkorswim application on your computer. Once the application is launched, log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to the Charts tab located at the top of the screen. Select a stock or asset you wish to analyze by typing its ticker symbol in the symbol box. Press Enter after entering the ticker symbol to load the chart for that specific asset. To adjust the time frame, look for the time frame drop-down menu, usually found above the chart. Choose a time frame that suits swing trading, such as 1 day or 4 hours. Now, you can customize the chart's appearance by clicking on the Style button next to the time frame. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings window, explore different chart types, including candlestick or line charts, and pick one that works for you. To add indicators, click on the Studies button located above the chart. From the drop-down menu, select Add Study and choose the indicators you find. Common indicators include moving averages, RSI, and MACD. Once you've selected your indicators, click Apply to add them to the chart. You can further customize each indicator by hovering over it and clicking on the gear icon. Adjust settings like period lengths or colors to fit your trading style. To save your chart setup, click on Style again and select Save Style. Name your chart setup and remember to check the option to include the studies if needed. Now, to view multiple charts simultaneously, open a new chart window by going to the Layout menu. Choose Grid and select the number of charts you would like to view. Repeat the symbol entry and customization steps for each chart in your grid. Keep an eye on your charts and make adjustments as market conditions change. Configure alerts by clicking on the Alerts tab to stay informed about key price levels. Finally, review your overall setup and ensure everything aligns with your swing trading strategy before executing any trades. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.